back with a video. So today I'll be showing y'all how my intro is gonna be. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Let's go.
Lines and every other things have fall into place. Ever since the day that you came up to today, you're the best that ever happened to me. So when I dance, I feel you inside me. And when I cry, you move mountains for me. So this our love is here to stay. And Lord, you know the feel. Everything you do is intentional. Papa, don't let you sweet the play.
Okay guys, so that's my intro. So today what I'll be showing you is hey. Coming. Okay guys, so just give me like a little bit of minutes and we'll be good.
What's up, Ames? This is my first, my cousin. Say hi. Say hello.
What's this vibe? My bad. Okay, so right now what we gonna do so far, we might try to react to musicals. So let's get it. Let's go. So the reason why I post this channel was because I wanted to show y'all my squishy. I got a panda squishy, but I'm getting more. So pokey. Like when you do like that, it reminds you of slime. Take some, just poke it. It reminds you of slime. Extract these some. Maybe in the video coming up. So, yeah. So, that's my squishy. But so give this a thumbs up and subscribe at the red link down below. Bye bye.